Good morning. So happy to have figured out how to technologically show you how to do things. That was my weekend project. So I'm giving you a logs assignment today that is the culmination of all the log stuff that we've been doing. You need to know how to remember how to do all the little pieces. Today we're putting it all together. So I just wanted to film this quick video to remind you how to do all the little pieces. Alright, so this is the most basic kind of thing that we learned hopefully in Algebra 1. Rewriting in exponential form using rational exponents. Rational exponents means fractional exponents. Rational exponents are fractional. Rational numbers, ratio. So this would become b to the power of 4 over 9. Okay? Next, we've got this log that we need to rewrite as an exponent. So the base is 8. Okay, and we want to figure out what we can raise 8 to get 64. And so, of course, 8 to the second power is 64, so the answer is 2. Again, real basic log. Next, we've got some rewriting using properties of logs. So, when you're adding logs together, that's log to the 4 times 5. We learned in class why that was true based on exponent rules, which is the same as saying log of 20. And of course, if there's no base here, if there's no base written, we know that's base 10, right? Log base 10. Just a reminder of that. Okay? And then, of course, the opposite, if we're subtracting logs, that's the division problem. And then the last property we're worried about is this one, where we just take this, this 5 right here, and that becomes the exponent. And of course this is still base 10, right? So this becomes log base 10 of 2 to the 5th power. Okay? So here's an example of a problem that's on your work today. And this is basically just putting, it looks scary, but basically it's just like a puzzle. We're taking all those pieces that I just reminded you of, that I just showed you, and we're putting them all together. Okay, so the first thing we have to realize is that we've got some multiplication here, and we've got some division. Okay, let's start with the division. Okay, to expand this, this would be log x to the 4th times the cube root of x plus 5 minus log of x minus 2 squared. Because remember that the division bar here We're dividing it to expand it. That's a subtraction of logs problem. Okay? Then let's deal with the multiplication. And of course you don't have to do it in this order. But let's deal with the multiplication next, because these two things are being multiplied together, right? Which means that is now log x to the 4th plus log cube root x plus 5. And we still have minus log x minus 2, the quantity squared. Okay? So that's how you expand the multiplication of logs. That becomes addition. The multiplication of the arguments becomes addition of logs. So the arguments are these little pieces here that got multiplied. Okay. Next, let's worry about these little exponents that come out front, right? So, this little exponent here is going to come out front. What did I do? And this little exponent here is going to come out front. Okay. So, this becomes 4 log x plus, let's just leave this for a minute the way it is, so log cube root x plus 5 minus 2 log x minus 2. And finally, let's look at how we need to rewrite this using rational exponents, right? Cube root is the same as the 1/3 power. Which means that I can still take this and put it out front, like I did with the other two, which makes my final answer all the way expanded. 4 log x plus 1/3 log the quantity x plus 5 minus 2 log quantity x minus 2. And that is how you take this and expand it all the way. Now, all the problems that I gave you today are not as many steps as this one. This is probably the longest one on the page, but I decided to show it to you because it has pretty much all the pieces in it. It has all the puzzle pieces. So the ones you're going to be doing might have 2 or 3 of the puzzle pieces. This one has all of the puzzle pieces that I showed you. So if you can just remember all of your pieces that we just went over at the beginning of this video, you should be able to piece together these, expand all of these logarithms. Send me a remind text if you have any questions. Post questions on the assignment if you have questions. I'll be around today and tomorrow. I'll be around. Just think of it as a puzzle and don't stress about it too much. And I think just with a little bit of practice, you guys will have these just fine. Have a good Monday.